So like I said, this is going to be my Sunday reset routine. As you can see, it is Sunday, May 15th, and it's 9:45. Normally, I would be at church right now, but there were just too many things going on, so only my dad got to go to church, and then my mom and my brother went to a different church. But instead of just like being on my phone the whole time, I decided to start my routine early because I'm supposed to go to the thrift store today and I just won't have the time to really do anything else. So with that being said, we're gonna start cleaning up.
Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have would give me stars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar, yeah. The sweetest part. I met you when I could have sworn you were the one for me. The things I saw in you became my favorite things to see. Never argued, never fought, never had a second thought. I was blinded by my love. I couldn't
in like probably months, my room was actually like fully cleaned. I mopped it and everything. It still looks kind of messy just because I don't really have a place for everything. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick little like after type of thing, and then we're gonna move on to the next thing. It's already like 8 o'clock at night, but I kind of figured it was gonna take that long because I never even finished my room in one day. That's why it's never done fully. Anyways, so I'm gonna give you guys the little overview real quick, and then we're gonna move on. Okay, now I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of everything I got at the flea market and the Dollar Tree. For my reset routine, this is just gonna be like a montage or a time lapse. So if you want to see the full haul, make sure you check out my Spirit Week video, which will probably be uploaded after this one. Okay, so let's just get started. So yeah, that's everything I got from the flea market and from Dollar Tree. I spent way more money than I was supposed to today, surprisingly. I don't know where my money went. It's also because Dollar Tree isn't even $1 anymore, it's $1.25. Really threw me off, but well. So I'm gonna set these to the side because honestly I don't feel like putting everything away, and half of this stuff I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Okay, so we're done with that part, and now we're gonna move on to more of like the self-care aspect. Actually finally starting to wind down for the night. First thing I want to do is I want to do a face mask. I'm going to take a shower after I do the face mask, just so I can, like, you know, actually get everything off, and not, I don't know, just so I can still feel clean and not feel like residue of the face mask on my face. But we're going to do the Aztec clay face mask because that's the only one I have right now. I'm actually going to take my bracelets off real quick, and then I think I'll just meet you in the bathroom because that's where we're going to do the mask. So I'll see you in there. Okay, so I put my hair in this cloth clip very terribly. My hair looks disgusting. That's not okay. I'm washing it tonight. But anyways, I put it in a cloth clip because I want to take like aesthetic pictures or whatever. And that high ponytail was just not doing it for me. But anyways, I'm probably going to make it look a little nicer when I do take the pictures. I'll probably actually brush my hair out, but for now this is fine. But I'm going to put my little like hair headband thing, I don't know. It's just so that I don't get my hair all like wet and all in the mask. My hair looks so short like this. Oh, my cat is up here, so ignore this little thing. So we're gonna start doing the mask. Like I said, I just have the Aztec clay mask, the only mask I even own right now. And I suck at making it. Like, I suck at the ratio part of it. Oop, that's gonna be way too much. Baby, move! It's just because I don't measure it or anything. And I'm mixing it with my finger. I don't have any more of the, like, spatula things. Baby! No! No! She's trying to eat the mask. Okay, actually, I don't think I did too bad on the ratios this time. I just don't know how people get theirs, like, so silky smooth. Anyways, we're just gonna start putting this mask on. I still kind of think I made too much, but this is like the closest I've gotten to like the right amount and the right ratio. So we're just gonna start putting it on. My finger looks so weird. Ugh, so thick on it. Hold on. That's disgusting.
That's like trending tag with a waist that she like a boy act dumb. She know she hot, she know she pretty, she's a for wet.
Okay, this is like the worst I've done. The thing I hate the most about this mask is how incredibly challenging it is to take it off. It's like the hardest thing ever. But like I said, you never make the right amount. So I'll probably be back when this is all dry and we're gonna rinse it off. And we're back. This is like the most dry I've ever left the mask yet. There's like the tiniest spots ever. But it hurts really bad. I was trying to eat and like obviously I tore a lot of it. But I kind of want to stretch it out a little more and crack it more. So I do that. That hurts so bad. Ew! So I'm kind of trying to do this fast because my camera is already running out of storage. I have less than 9 minutes, so let's start taking this off.
You are from a old life. I've been on top of my game. When you say suck it, old time. I just wanna be myself a little better.
Got it off. I'm so red now. I'm gonna let my face like rest a bit, so I'm not gonna shower just yet because I'm gonna wash my face in the shower. But it's like really red and it kind of hurts. This happens all the time, but I was also scrubbing really hard with this washcloth. So, anyways. So I'm probably going to maybe do some homework right now, depending on how close dinner is. If I have like a good 15-20 minutes, then I'm gonna go do that right now. And if I don't, then I'm probably just gonna watch like a video, like a 10-minute video or something like that, because I have to do it on my Chromebook and you know, I have to log in and everything. By the time I'm logged in and on the assignment, I'm gonna have like 5 minutes left. But I'll see you guys as soon as I feel like it, or as soon as there's something worth vlogging. You know? Okay. Bye! Okay guys, so I just finished eating dinner and I did quite a bit of homework. I'm not gonna lie, I did like 3 assignments and then those were like missing assignments, and then I did like 1 assignment that's due today and I started one that's due tomorrow. I know that's kind of last minute, but it's a gimp kit. It's pretty easy. It's just I wasn't like taking it serious, you know. I was like kind of distracted, so I was getting a lot wrong. So I decided I'm just gonna cut it short and just stop doing that. But now I'm going to go take a shower and I'm gonna charge my camera while I'm in there because my camera is almost dead. It's on its last bar and that doesn't really last that long. And then after that we're gonna finish getting ready for the night, and then just kind of like relax and then go to sleep. It's 11 o'clock. I was kind of hoping to be done earlier, but we just ate, so that's not even my fault. Anyways, but this is kind of typical, I'm not gonna lie. But, so yeah, I'm gonna go hop in the shower, try to be as fast as I can, but not too fast. Cause I wanna relax in there. It's the only time now. Huh? I don't know what you said. It was kind of funny. I don't know what you said actually. I said because I'm gonna be fast, but not too fast. Yeah, the way you said you kind of laughed or something, you like were like kind of awkward. Oh. I'm gonna re-say that now. This made me self-conscious. Cut. Cut. Nah, you gotta cut. Action. But so yeah, I'm gonna go take my shower. Hopefully I don't take too long, but if I do, then it's whatever. I thought you were like, there we go, that's better. I would go like that. Anyways, so I'll just see you guys after I take my shower. Invisible. No, you're ugly, that's what you are. Just kidding. Oh! Oh! Damn! Big old cranium. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, you know who like you don't know her? Nope. She looks like. Hold on. Well, I can't do anything about it now because it's already in the air. It's not even blowing. Oh, Jaden's picture? Oh, yeah. Yeah, same.